Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni.
And I'm Mation. This video is for absolute beginners. We will walk you through the process of installing two code editors, Notepad++ and Sublime Text 3, and share with you how to install plugins and packages in different environments to preview your future web pages. Both editors are very popular, and you can choose which one suits you better. In addition, you can have your first taste of Command Prompt. You will be able to create new folder and navigate your file directory using Command Prompt. Also, set the environment variable for the first time. This is the part 1 of our Building Simple PHP website in 60 minutes series. If you are interested, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Let's open our web browser. On the address bar, we type in Sublime Text 3. Click on the first one, and then in the download page, click and download the appropriate version of the software for your computer. If you don't know how many bits your OS is, click the Command Prompt icon here, or you can find it in the search box here. Now I click on this icon. The Command Prompt window is open now. Type in WMIC get OS architecture, and then hit enter. You can see the OS is 64-bit in my case. Okay, so I click on this Windows 64-bit for downloading. Now you can find your folder. The file is downloaded here. Double click on this, and the user account control dialog is open. Click yes. And then in the setup window, you can click next, and then click install.
Congratulations! Your Sublime Text 3 is now installed. Next step, let's discuss how to invoke our Sublime Text 3 from Command Prompt. In order to do this, we need to add the path of the executable file, the Sublime Text executable file, into the path system variable. Of course, you can still open Sublime Text with a mouse click, but this is a nice skill to have. Right, Moni?
Let's set environment variable for Sublime Text 3. In the Command Prompt, change directory to the C drive.
CD. Change directory. You can change directory to a folder or a drive.
And type the setx command.
setx permanently create or modify the environment variable and takes effect for future Command Prompt windows. On the other hand, changes made with set command will remain only for the duration of the current session. Since we want to avoid open and close the Command Prompt twice, we use both here. Before we show you how to invoke the program from Command Prompt, we want to show you how to use Command Prompt to perform simple tasks.
Okay, let's create a website folder. Go to the web groups folder.
If you are not sure how to install XAMPP, we have a video for you.
And then make a website folder and name it Simple Site. Oh, this folder name is already exists. Make another name.
You can see that if we do something wrong in the Command Prompt, it will give us a response and point out what have gone wrong.
Go to the folder first. And then create a home page.
Type now and then followed by a file name. It means create an empty file. Bear in mind that you cannot have a file with the same name already existed in that folder. If you do, the newly created file will replace the original file.
And type subl to open the Sublime Text editor.
Voila, it is opened.
Now the Sublime Text is opened. Click on the File tab, open folder, and find your website. My site. This is the folder just created. Click on this and select folder.
You see the HTML file we have just created in Command Prompt. Open this empty file. Let's introduce you to an awesome website, W3 Schools. In the HTML section, let's grab the example for HTML home. Right-click to copy it, and go back to our editor and right-click to paste it.
And then click Save. Now we can preview the index page by clicking on the Browser Sync tab. Click on Browser Sync, Start File, Launch. Wait for seconds. The page will be automatically displayed in the web browser, just like this.
Cool!
If you cannot find the Browser Sync tab in your editor menus bar, we need to install the package control prior to install the Browser Sync. To install the package control, click on the Tools tab on the menu bar, and then click the Install Package Control down below and under Developer to get it installed. I have already installed it, so it is not shown here. Okay? Click on the Preferences tab, and then Package Control, and then click on Install Package. Wait a minute. A pop-up will come up, and type Browser Sync here. But I have already installed this plugin, so it will not display here again. But in your case, you click on the Browser Sync in the drop-down menu. Then the installation process will start and the Browser Sync tab will be added on your menu bar.
Okay, now it's time we talk about Notepad++. This is a relatively simple and neat code editor. Go to Notepad++ website. On the page, you will see there are two versions available. One for 32-bit and one for, you guess, 64-bit. Choose the correct version for your operation system. Let me show you another way to find out how many bit your operation system is. First, search for Control Panel. Choose System and Security. Choose System. Then you can see your system type. It shows this machine is 64-bit. This is a way you do without opening the command prompt. You choose the right version. We choose 64-bit. Let's open the Downloads folder. Double-click on the file. First, it asks us to choose a language. We pick a language and click OK. Click Next. Read the terms and agree. This shows where the program will be installed. Click Next. Accept the default options. Click Next. I would like to create a shortcut on desktop. Okay, then we click Install. It will be finished shortly. Let's run it.
Click on the Notepad++ icon on the taskbar to open the editor. Click on the File tab and then click on Folder as Workspace and find a website folder which is located in the htdocs folder of XAMPP in the C drive. htdocs means hypertext documents. Click on this PC, C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and find your folder, My Site, and then click OK.
At this point, you know how to open the working directory in both editors. Congratulations! You prefer which editor?
Double-click on the index.html in the left panel. The web page content appears, and then click on the last icon on the toolbar, the Preview HTML icon, to preview the page. If the Preview HTML icon does not appear on the toolbar, click on the Plugins and Plugins Admin. In the search box, type in Preview HTML. Tick the box beside Preview HTML under Plugin, and then click the Install button to install it. Mine is already installed, which is displayed in the Installed section. It is here. Furthermore, we can resize the preview window. How to do it? Let's hover over the border. A double arrow symbol appears. Click and drag the symbol to make the size we want. In addition, we can click and drag the header to move it around.
Now you are equipped with the tools. We can start our journey to make the PHP simple site. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to follow our PHP website series, please subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications. See you next time. Bye bye.